Hey everyone, it's 9:14 p.m. on Saturday, April 20th, 2024, and right here is a polished brass 52-inch hugger type ceiling fan manufactured by Aircool in January of 1991, and it was sold exclusively at Stambaugh's hardware stores, which no longer exist. I know I've talked about that store in previous videos, so I won't get into too much detail about it. Um, it was slightly smaller than Lowe's and Home Depot, and the one in Steubenville, Ohio, where I grew up, it folded in November of 1997. Anyways, I'd like to give a shout out to Chris and Jennifer Crouch for giving me this lovely fan. Thanks, folks. You rock. And it did not come as you see it. However, I made some minor adjustments to it. First being with the blades and blade arms you see here. They do look stock, but the ones that came with the fan, one of the blades was a little wonky. I mean, it did have cane in them, but not that that is a problem to me. I actually like that, but you know, one of the blades was warped and just didn't really look right. So thankfully, Construction Junction in Pittsburgh had this set of blades and arms, and I snagged them for very little money. And I will delegate the blades that originally came with this fan to the 4-bladed version I have. So there you go. And that one didn't come with blades, so it all works out, does it not? And also, it did not come with a light kit, but that I added. See that there? And normally in my computer room / shop, I would have the brighter daylight LED bulbs in the fan, but this is CFL bulbs. I just kind of improvised on it. And those green shades, I want to be able to use them again, so that's why I put them on here. And it was right before St. Patrick's Day that I hung it, so yep, I'm Irish, I'm proud of it, so there you go. And the fan's in really, really good condition. I had to put some new lead wires in it, and it just runs super awesome. Oops. Okay, we're going to rev it up first on low. It's got a slight hum to it, but most of these air-cooled ceiling fans were notorious for that. It's actually kind of soothing. Okay, medium. You can still kind of hear the hum, but it's not bothersome. Okay, let's try it on high, shall we? Oh yeah! This thing cranks out a lot of air on high. This fan seems tailor-made for this room because the ceilings here aren't very high, and I'm 6 feet tall, so And now we'll do spin down. The fan's in immaculate condition. So are the bearings too. Yeah, this is a childhood fan of mine. And I forgot to mention the other side of the blade is plain just as you see it on the side showing. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.